Some people are caught completely off guard when they feel a sneeze coming. They have no tissue and no plan to stop the spread of germs. And with just one open sneeze, a fine mist of invisible droplets is released, quickly contaminating the shared air and surrounding surfaces. These tiny, invisible germs can cause various illnesses, including the common cold, the flu, tuberculosis, and many other serious diseases.
But a person who is aware and educated takes immediate action as soon as they feel a sneeze coming. A sneeze.
Using a disposable tissue is the best way to trap germs instantly, but if you don't have one, sneezing into your elbow is also a responsible way to protect those around you.
After finishing the sneeze, a polite and mindful person takes a moment to breathe and calmly says, Alhamdulillah. If you have used a disposable tissue, make sure to throw it into the trash bin immediately to keep your environment clean and safe.
Then, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water, or use a hand sanitizer to ensure they are completely clean.
Remember, maintaining good personal hygiene is not just about health. It is a true sign of respect for yourself and a kind gesture toward everyone around you.
To see more videos, please like, subscribe, and share this health message with others.